Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over to FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, end of August 2020, now into September. Well, starting in a couple of days, but for the trading month, September starts this week. Another great week trading last week, another great month in the weekly service. The free setup I gave you last week, if you closed out on Thursday, it was around break even. This week, in this video, we're going to go over this week's setup that I like the most, and I'm going to explain it in depth. I'll try to speak as slowly as possible, so pay attention. Before we actually get into the nitty and gritty and the actual trade setup, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get over to the charts and see what we're looking at this week. So this is the trade setup I am looking at this week. It is on the Kiwi CAD. Okay, you can see we're approaching this nice resistance area here. Okay, on the weekly charts, if we look at the monthly, it is kind of this monthly area here, the start of it. Okay, we zoom into the weekly, you can see it here, and we have a nice kind of area around here on the weekly charts. Okay, so what I'm liking this to do is to pop up into this area this week. Okay, so what I'm also going to look at is from this start of this kind of move down here when it was trending down. If you look at the monthly chart, I think it's from up here. We are at a nice Fibonacci area from this monthly move down. 61.8 is in and around this area. Okay, so the trade setup is going to be, just zoom in a little bit, you can see that I do expect it to pop up and hit 68 this week. Okay, so this is where I'm looking to be trading this pair. You can see we've got a nice area here around 68. Okay, and so the trade setup this week is basically a sell. Okay, and sell. So we're just going to go sell. Sell Kiwi USD. At 0.682. Stop loss, we're going to say 120 pips because could get a bit of volatility this week. Okay, 0.694. Okay, take profit, so go over now. I'm going to say around 64 or 60, 65 actually. So take profit. Okay, usually never hit these, but for longer term traders, these will be longer term targets if this move starts to go downwards. So say around about 64.5. Okay, so that is the setup. Pause your video now. Very simple setup that I'm looking at this week. You can see we're at a monthly, a weekly, and a daily. Okay, let's move that. Another method you could use to enter the trade is, as it's coming into this area here, as it's approaching the 68 area, Kiwi, simply look for a divergence signal on the 4-hour, 1-hour, the daily charts as it's coming into this sell zone here. Okay, and what it's looking like here, we're going to get a nice pop up into it early next week, I think. Okay, and this is a nice area to be selling at. So this is the start of this move down here and also this leg down here. Okay, so we'll see what happens this week. That's the trade. Okay, as always, trade at your own risk. If you have any questions, let me know, will at FXAce.com. And if you want to access the full service, you can simply click the link below in the description area, or if you're watching this on the web page, just hit the yes, I want this now. Okay, so just a basic what you actually get with the service. So with the basic plan, which is just subscribing month by month, you actually get the Price Action Secrets Beginners course, okay, which is over 2 hours of live training where I show you exactly how I get the signals each week. Also, you get our FXAS Secret Weapon Indicator, which is the indicator you're able to use to identify when they enter the trades manually during the week at certain levels. Okay, it also comes with mobile push and MT4 notifications built into it. Okay, and you also get free access to the new daily signal service if you join today for the lifetime of your subscription. The best plan is the yearly plan. Okay, you actually get Price Action Secret Archives, which is over 20 hours of pure price action videos. You'll learn step by step how I trade the markets. You'll learn the exact method I use. This was a coaching program I did last year. I took 10 students over a 3-month period, and I showed them step by step from the beginning over 3 months how I trade the markets and how to become consistently successful traders themselves. You also get the indicators that are included in that course, which is the price zone finder. So instead of identifying zones yourself, this indicator is built to instantly identify them for you, so it saves you a heap of time. You also get the currency strength dashboard, which shows you the strength of the market instantly. Again, you get the Secret Weapon Indicator included. You also get the Elite MacBot Pro SR trading robot, which allows you to automate the signals you receive from us each week. Okay, you also get access to the new daily service and weekly service. So by what I mean by able to automate the service is simply able to get, once you receive our trades on a Sunday, you'll simply just load them onto the chart. Then you load the Mac Pro SR indicator, robot, and it will enter the market for you when the secret weapon indicator signal happens. Okay, so you also get dedicated personal support. I always reply personally to yearly members' emails and Telegram messages. Okay, so that whole package is basically over the year is there to help you develop as a trader and turn into your own trader. You'll simply be able to receive my signals each week. You'll learn the exact method I use. You'll be able to cross-reference with the signals I take and then come up with your own ideas. You'll also be able to earn while you're learning over the year. So that's possibly the best package. Okay, so you can pick which one you want. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. And let's have a great week and a great September. And yeah, happy trading. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.